Financial exploitation, such as Bitcoin scams, is a very serious and unfortunately common issue facing Ohio's older adults. In fact, it's a growing problem with the highest reporting rate of any form of elder abuse, neglect, or other exploitation. For example, from July of 2024 to June of 2025, counties in Ohio received over 45,000 reports of older adult maltreatment. Of those reports, over 16,000 were related to financial exploitation like Bitcoin and romance scams. That's 36%. The video you are about to see is actual police body camera footage from the White Settlement Police Department in Texas. You'll see a concerned citizen and a police officer attempt to intervene during a scam of a terrified older woman. What is unique and rare about this video is that it is actual footage of a Bitcoin scam in progress. Let's take a look.
Hello.
She's at $23,000 already.
Where's she at right now?
In the corner over here. She just keeps going.
Hey, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Please, I have the bank on the phone.
Okay, let me talk to who you're talking to on the bank.
I'm in danger. This
Okay,
is
no,
Chase
you're not,
Bank.
ma'am.
This is Chase Bank.
Let me talk to them. Okay, stop putting money in there. Hello?
Just show me the screen, huh?
Yeah, who is this?
This is the security team. So, Christine,
No, you're not. My name is Sergeant Stewart, and I'm with the White Settlement Police Department. Okay, if you're really with the security team, you call my dispatch right now. You understand?
Okay, let me speak to the customer.
No, you're not going to speak to the customer
let
anymore.
me speak to the customer.
No, you're not speaking to the customer anymore.
Now,
If you want to speak with her, you call my dispatch first.
Christine,
You call my dispatch first.
Okay.
I'll give you that phone number.
Christine, Christine, just get the phone from him.
Can you believe this? This is outrageous. The scammer is arguing with the police officer. But before you heard that, you heard the elderly woman tell Sergeant Stewart that she's on the phone with the bank and trying to fix a problem they said she had. And she's in danger and can't talk to the police officer. This footage is just unbelievable. Let's continue watching.
What do you have to say?
Hello, Christine. Okay, Christine, please ask him to move away and let's just open the camera. Click on I'm done on the screen.
No, I'm not worried about a
Click on
camera.
I'm done.
I'm not worried about a camera because Chase Bank does not take
Sir,
Bitcoin.
please allow me to speak to the customer.
No, you're
Allow
not
me
going to speak with the customer anymore.
Christine, please hand over the-
You have already spoken to the customer enough. Okay?
Please take the phone him. Sir, you have no business to wait.
Yes, sir, I do. Because fraud and theft. Because no bank takes Bitcoin as payment. If you have a problem with this, you call the White Settlement Police Department at 24817. No, you're not going to speak to the customer again.
Let her decide.
No, I'm not going to
take the phone from him.
No.
Hearing you out, honey.
You were done speaking with this nice lady.
Ma'am, please take the phone from him. Take the phone from him. Sir, please allow the customer to speak. You don't have any right on the phone line.
I've seen him.
No, you don't need to speak with her.
Hello?
Then
Yes, ma'am. He said, now, just on the machine, ma'am. Just you click on I'm done, then I will speak to him.
No,
Click on I'm done.
don't click I'm
On the
done.
machine.
Do not click anything.
Isn't this crazy? She's already fed the machine $23,000 so far, and the scammer is telling the elderly lady not to listen to the police officer. And the scammer keeps telling her to complete the transaction on the machine with Sergeant Stewart standing right there telling them they are committing a crime. It's stunning. Let's watch the rest of the video, and I'll have some closing thoughts.
no, I won't.
No, she is not submitting any money to
I'm
you.
done, ma'am. Click on I'm done.
No,
Please
she is,
allow
listen to
her
me.
finish.
Listen to me. She is not clicking on
You
anything.
listen to me.
You really want to fight this fight with me?
That's not your problem.
Yes, it is my problem because what you're doing is committing a crime. That makes it my problem. If you were in my presence right now, you would be in handcuffs going to jail.
That's not our problem. What you are trying to do, Christine, just click on
You still haven't gotten her name right, you frickin' moron. You don't even have her name right.
I'm sorry?
That's your money.
No.
Hey, Catherine, I just got confused. Catherine, just please click on I'm done.
No, she is not going to click. She is not going to click it.
Now this story has a happy ending. But many elderly people that have fallen victim to these kinds of scams in Ohio are not so lucky. You heard the scammer frantically telling that woman to complete the transaction on the machine. If she did so, there would be no way to get her $23,000 back. She also had cash of around $40,000 that she had not yet put into the machine. Because of a concerned citizen spotting something that wasn't right and contacting authorities, the transaction was able to be canceled and the elderly lady was able to keep her money. We wanted to highlight this video because these scams are very confusing and can happen to anyone, especially older adults that may be lonely or confused. Here's our message. Your bank would never ask you to withdraw thousands in cash and direct you to a remote gas station to deposit it in a Bitcoin machine. If something doesn't sound right, it usually isn't. Hang up and call your bank directly, and they will let you know if this is a scam or not. In Ohio, we have resources available for citizens who have been or feel they are being scammed or abused. Should you notice something out of the ordinary involving an older person, please contact your local police or Adult Protective Services. Think about that Good Samaritan in the video. She noticed an older lady in distress feeding $100 bills into a machine while talking to someone on the phone. Something didn't feel or seem right to her. Her actions are a fine example of how to prevent abuse, neglect, and exploitation of older adults.